Did you know that by leveraging just one AI-powered tool, a team of developers at Microsoft was able to increase their code review productivity by 35% in just 2 weeks? That's not just a small tweak, that's a full-fledged game changer. And it's exactly this kind of transformative power that we're going to explore today as we dive into the world of AI tools. You see, most people are still stuck on basic productivity hacks, using a project management tool like Trello or Asana, or scheduling apps like Calendly or Doodle. But what if I told you there's so much more out there? Tools that can help you automate tedious tasks, make data-driven decisions, and even predict potential roadblocks before they happen. Let's talk about the top 10 essential AI tools that are flying under the radar, and why you need to start using them today. From automating repetitive tasks to making sense of complex data, we'll explore each tool in depth, covering their key features, benefits, and real-world examples. Section 1: Automation with Zapier. Zapier is one of those unsung heroes of AI tools that's been around since 2010. Founded by Bobby Morton and Des Traynor, it's helped over 4 million users automate tasks across 500-plus apps, a staggering number that speaks to its versatility. With Zapier, you can set up custom workflows that automatically move data between your favorite apps. For instance, let's say you use Slack for communication and Google Drive for storing files. You can create a single Zap that moves new file uploads directly into Slack, eliminating the need for manual updates or tedious searches. This might not sound like much, but consider this: if 100 users on your team each save an average of just one file per day using Zapier, you're looking at over 36,000 automated tasks per month. Section 2: Data Analysis with Looker. Looker is another hidden gem in the world of AI tools. Founded by Frank Bien and Lloyd Tabb in 2011, it's a cloud-based business intelligence platform that helps businesses make data-driven decisions, without requiring an army of data scientists. With Looker, you can connect to your existing databases, create custom dashboards, and even write SQL queries using its intuitive interface. For example, let's say you run an e-commerce store with Looker. You can use its machine learning capabilities to predict sales trends, identify best-selling products, and optimize your marketing campaigns accordingly. In one case study, a company saw a 50% increase in revenue after just 6 months of using Looker, proof that AI-driven insights can yield tangible results. Section 3: Content Creation with Grammarly. Grammarly is perhaps the most accessible AI tool out there. Founded by Alexei and Max Shvets in 2009, it's grown from a simple grammar checker to a comprehensive writing assistant that helps millions of users worldwide. With Grammarly, you can get real-time feedback on your writing style, tone, and even sentence structure. For instance, let's say you're a marketing manager trying to craft the perfect blog post. You can use Grammarly's AI-powered editor to optimize your content for readability, ensuring that every word counts. According to its creators, Grammarly has helped users improve their writing quality by an average of 25%, no small feat. Section 4: Task Management with Any.do. Any.do is yet another AI tool that's been quietly revolutionizing the way we manage tasks and projects. Founded by Omer Shai in 2008, it allows you to create custom workflows, assign tasks, and even integrate your favorite apps. With Any.do, you can turn your to-do lists into actionable plans of attack. For example, let's say you're planning a team-building event with Any.do. You can use its AI-powered project management features to delegate tasks, track progress, and receive real-time updates on who's doing what, saving countless hours spent on manual communication. According to one study, teams using Any.do reported an average productivity boost of 24%, more than enough to justify the tool's adoption. Section 5: Virtual Assistants with Siri Shortcuts. Last but not least, we have Siri Shortcuts. Launched by Apple in 2018, this AI-powered virtual assistant lets you automate complex tasks using natural language commands. With Siri Shortcuts, you can create custom workflows that integrate multiple apps and services, essentially turning your iPhone into a super-powered productivity machine. For instance, let's say you're a freelancer trying to manage your schedule with Siri Shortcuts. You can use its AI-driven features to automatically book meetings, send reminders, and even sync your calendar across devices. According to one study, users reported saving an average of 30 minutes per day using Siri Shortcuts, enough time to take on more clients or focus on high-leverage activities. Section 6. Predictive Maintenance with Augury. Augury is a relatively new player in the AI tool market but has quickly made waves. Founded by Fred Wilson and Sam Schillis in 2017, it's an industrial predictive maintenance platform that uses machine learning to detect potential equipment failures before they happen. With Augury, you can prevent costly downtime, reduce energy consumption, and even extend equipment lifespan. For example, let's say you run a manufacturing plant with Augury. You can use its AI-powered sensors to predict maintenance needs, schedule routine checks, and receive real-time alerts on any anomalies detected, ensuring maximum uptime and efficiency. According to one case study, a company saw a 90% reduction in equipment downtime after implementing Augury, an astonishing success story. Section 7. Chatbots with Dialogflow. Dialogflow is another AI tool that's revolutionizing the way businesses interact with customers. Founded by Google, formerly known as API.ai, in 2013, it lets you create custom chatbots using natural language processing and machine learning. With Dialogflow, you can automate customer support queries, route incoming calls, and even personalize responses based on user behavior. For instance, let's say you run a customer service hotline with Dialogflow. You can use its AI-powered features to answer common questions, resolve issues in real time, and even provide proactive support recommendations, reducing the need for human intervention. According to one study, companies using Dialogflow reported an average of 30% reduced response time, plenty of justification for investing in this tool. Section 8. Content Curation with Pocket. Pocket is a lesser-known AI tool that's been around since 2012. Founded by Nate Smith and Chris Hom, it allows you to curate content from across the web into custom collections. With Pocket, you can save articles, videos, and even entire websites for later, freeing up mental bandwidth for more important tasks. For example, let's say you're a journalist researching a story with Pocket. You can use its AI-powered features to collect relevant sources, articles, and data points, all in one place. According to its founders, users reported an average of 25% increased productivity when using Pocket, no small win for anyone trying to stay on top of their work. Section 9. Task Automation with Automator. Automator is another AI tool that's been quietly transforming the way we manage tasks and workflows. Founded by Apple in 2005, it lets you automate repetitive actions across various apps and services using its drag-and-drop interface. With Automator, you can create custom workflows that eliminate tedious manual labor, freeing up time for more strategic activities. For instance, let's say you're a marketing manager trying to manage social media campaigns with Automator. You can use its AI-powered features to schedule posts, track engagement metrics, and even automate responses based on user interactions, streamlining your workflow in the process. According to one study, users reported an average of 35% increased efficiency when using Automator, proof that automation can indeed boost productivity. Section 10. Data Visualization with Charshow. Charshow is a relatively new player in the AI tool market but has quickly gained traction. Founded by Max Skierson and Tony Tam in 2011, it's an advanced data visualization platform that lets you connect to your favorite databases and create custom dashboards using machine learning. With Charshow, you can turn raw data into actionable insights, helping businesses make informed decisions. For example, let's say you run a retail store with Charshow. You can use its AI-powered features to track sales trends, identify best-selling products, and even predict customer behavior based on demographic data. According to one case study, a company saw a 30% increase in sales revenue after using Charshow for just 6 months, further proof of the power of AI-driven insights. In conclusion, we've explored 10 essential AI tools that are waiting to be leveraged by businesses and individuals alike. From automating repetitive tasks with Zapier to making data-driven decisions with Looker, each tool has the potential to unlock hidden productivity and propel your work forward, provided you're willing to take the leap. Now, I know what you're thinking, which one do I start with? The answer is simple, you don't have to choose just one. Try out a few of these AI tools today, explore their key features, and see which ones resonate with your needs. Remember, each tool has its unique strengths, so it's all about finding the right combination that works best for you. So what are you waiting for? Unleash the full potential of your productivity.